So the window washer controls aren't that intuitive. It takes a little bit a while to get used to. But first of all, you got this wheel, and I'll show you the controls in a picture as well. So the settings here are off, auto, 1 or 2, and that's it. So that you control via the wheel. And then if you just want to sort of wipe it once, you press the front button. But if you do the same in the back, you turn on and off the rear wipers. And to do it with sort of washer fluid, you press and hold. And as you can see, the washer fluid comes out of the actual washers, which is great, even in the back. And if I'm correct, they are also heated, so it won't sort of freeze in the winter. So it takes a while to get used to, but once you got it, it's very comfortable just to do like a press and initiate the washers for 1. Okay, see you in the next one.